Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals, baked items, smoothies, healthy juices, and some vegan meals too. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle, so check out my videos on healthy lifestyle tips, self-care, home care, jewelry making, and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. So here we have curry chicken and rice and some dal and some roti. I have a cup and a half of white rice, regular long grain white rice. I don't like my rice too shelly, what we call shelly, or dry when I'm having sweeties. I like it just a little bit softer, so that's why I'm not using basmati. I usually love basmati rice, but I'm not using basmati for this. So I'm going to wash this rice until the water runs clear. To the second wash, water still not clear. To the third wash, so I'm going to turn off, let it run until the water runs clear. Let it run over. Okay, it's nice and clear now. So we have a cup and a half of rice. This is 2 cups of water. So I added a cup and a half of water because I still have a half a cup of water left out of 2 cups. So I have a half a cup left, so I use 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of rice. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm adding some salt. Let me see how much salt I'm adding. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little less than 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna cover this now with a very tight lid. If you don't have a tight lid, you can actually put some foil over the top, and then I'm gonna put it on a moderate heat, moderate, not high, moderate, because I'm just gonna leave it until all the water is dried out. This is about 20 minutes after. It's not quite ready yet, so I'm just gonna stir it up a little. You just tease it up a little. You don't stir it all over, just, we call teasing it up. It's best to use one of these forks so that it doesn't break up the rice grains. And level it out back. So I'm gonna cover it back now and leave it. I'm gonna cover it back now, leave it on low for about 15 minutes. Rice is all done now. This is about 20 minutes after. I just let it cook slowly, so it's not burnt or anything. It's just nice and shelly, what we call shelly, but still soft, not hard. This is the rice now. So once you keep the flame low, there'll be no burning. See, right to the bottom, no burning, no wasting of your rice. You don't need a rice cooker. So here we have curry chicken and rice and some dal and some roti.